The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers of Disease Control. This is a public health emergency. Health officials have confirmed positive cases of the coronavirus, or known as COVID-19. This is an epidemic that is deadly and shouldn't be taken lightly. The CDC is working on creating a vaccine for this virus and is trying to figure out how the virus started. The states affected include Texas, Washington State, California, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Louisiana, Mississippi, Colorado, Illinois, Utah, Florida, Georgia, Maryland, New Jersey, New Hampshire, New York, Tennessee, South Carolina, North Carolina, Rhode Island, Oregon, Arizona, Iowa, Missouri, Oklahoma, Indiana, Kentucky, and Virginia. Please take the proper precautions, avoid being in contact with people, wash your hands on a regular basis, and do not travel to infected areas or be around anyone with it. The symptoms of this virus is coughing, fever, and shortness of breath. If you experience any of these symptoms, head to your nearest to get tested. A quarantine may be possible for 14 days or longer. For more information about the coronavirus, please visit the CDC website for more. We now resume to regular programming.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.